Why do you have Zelda there? Why is she like in the screen?
No, only I get to do that.
Why is Zelda like blocking part of the screen?
I just want her in frame, that's it.
Okay, now we're in the game. You ready for this crazy, ridiculous shit?
That thing.
The name's Fox.
The name's... Oh.
Fox McCloud.
I'm the leader of bad voice actors.
Stop.
Elite fighter
Story.
squadron
Let them
established by
experience
ex-Cornerian
it.
flying ace James McCloud, my father.
Yeah, okay, never mind. This doesn't sound like his
5
Smash
years
voice. He
ago,
sounds the same
my
here.
father was hired by General Pepper of the Cornerian Army to investigate strange activities on planet
I didn't... Entering Corneria's orbit, like the
I have
beginning
to
of
use
every
that.
Star Fox game.
I said I'll just
If you want to steer, I have to use it.
Why are you shooting that way?
A malfunction in this. There's a Peppy. There's a malfunction. Peppy, watch out, Peppy. Peppy, no.
Peppy, it's a fucking laser show. Intergalactic rave.
All right, so that's the cock view.
How
Check your
old are you?
Vegeta fusion system.
Vegeta.
Check your Vegeta system.
That's all he said. You're not my lightning
He
rod.
is looking... Wait, oh, this is a prequel, right?
No, it's a reboot.
Wait, this is.
It's a reboot of
Oh, it's a-
64.
It's a complete,
Really?
it's a complete reboot.
It's a reboot of 64. Yeah.
I was about to say,
Anyway, if
Sergeant... Well, sorry.
if you guys are wondering where the voices are coming from, they come from this, not the TV. I don't know why they did that.
Oh yeah.
That just means we can
Yeah.
add our own voice acting.
I was saying Sergeant Pepper looks
Okay,
a
I'm skipping
lot
this.
younger.
We already did this.
I'm Star Fox. You're gonna be Pepper.
Okay, ready?
Oh, can I be Falco?
Who am I, sweetie?
Yeah, I'm shooting. You're flying.
Who am I, baby?
You can shoot too, but not as good as me.
Who am I? Is there a girl character?
Nah, basically since this is a reboot, they like...
No, try to
kinda-
fly straight so I can actually hit things.
If I fly straight, I'll get
They
hit.
retcon Crystal,
No,
I'm
it's
pretty
barrel
sure.
roll and shit.
Is there a girl character?
There was.
Oh. What happened to her?
Cat's in this game.
I meant Crystal.
Oh, it's not. Try to stay in the general vicinity
The
of
only
see
one I
ships so I
played
can
was
shoot
Star
them.
Fox Adventure.
so sorry.
Who the hell is
Thank
Cat?
you.
Gotta go through the thing.
Who the fuck is Cat?
Did you not play Star Fox 64? Did you ever get to Zonus?
Look, man,
Go through that door.
I'm like probably the youngest.
Peppy's in
person
trouble.
John, hit X! Hit X!
I don't know. How old are you, Dad?
here. I'm
You
22.
didn't get the bomb.
How old are you, Anthony?
24.
I didn't grow up with the I didn't grow up with a lot of video games. I came in very late.
I played Star Fox Adventure for the GameCube. That was my favorite.
It took me
The only one I played.
so long to beat Star Fox Adventures.
I beat that like 20 times. I loved it.
Let's
No,
all talk about the.
John, get that
I
thing.
know.
Get that thing.
It's like a double
I
laser.
love that
Yes.
game.
Get him on.
I would have the blue laser by now if you hit the other one, but it's okay.
Friends, get him
Oh,
off
by the
me!
way, if you hit A when we're not flying, like, over a trench, you'll turn into, like, a weird little, like, chicken robot thing.
Oh, did you shoot him?
No, like, watch, when you get to this part right here where I'm shooting, just press A on the controller. Press A on the controller.
I am.
Should be able to do it. Can't do it yet?
Nope. Oh my God!
Damn, careful, son.
Okay,
Hold the right stick up to boost and hold it back to brake.
so you're the one shooting.
Yeah. But John's not flying real good, so it's pretty hard. Go do that ring, that's how.
Baby, fly good.
You can fly.
Okay, try turning into a chicken thing now.
I
Hit
did.
A. Hit A.
Chicken coop.
I am pressing A.
There you go.
No, jump good.
Jump good, Mike.
You're hitting this button.
Yeah.
It's weird. Should let you do it.
We still have smart bombs in this game, right?
Yeah, there's bombs.
All right.
Looks like they sent a welcome party.
I did play this game just a little bit. Not a lot. It's very different. Alright, there's like phases now.
Phase? What? Why? Oh,
'Cause-
you know what? I learned it's better not to ask anything. Just experience it.
Whoa, the tower's in bad shape.
I thought you said shit.
Oops.
Right here.
Isn't that plot convenient?
Alright.
General, jump!
Try hitting A again, John, in this area. Doesn't do anything?
That was almost seamless how it went from like linear to, oh, you can turn now. I'm in love with the backdrop though, that's gorgeous.
Oh, the game looks great. This is play great.
Yeah, there's always that, like, that compromise, I guess.
Oh, you flew through here, but you didn't get the blue power-up that was in there. I'm gonna need that.
They're slipping. Slip. Way to go, Slip.
What the fuck? What the hell is going on with the camera?
Fly better. See, I told you, that's what happens, like when it cutscenes.
It really fucked with me right there.
Yeah, it's terrible, dude.
Oh, and you were still flying, and
So I kinda gotta, like, guide you. Okay, we gotta kill the spiders. You gotta fly in from above them so I can shoot them from the top.
Okay.
And
were they,
can't...
like, I don't want to shit-talk Nintendo.
Oh, get that, get that.
But
Yes!
but were they not thinking?
Hit the brakes! Yes!
Were they not thinking when they designed these levels?
I don't think so.
Where's the other?
Alright, there's gonna be more coming. Over there, there's more coming from over there.
What if everyone in the team was Canadian? Like, oh, gotta check. Sorry. Sorry,
Oh.
boot that.
Sorry.
Sorry, boot that.
Fly
Oh.
straighter!
Didn't mean to get you there.
Over
Sorry.
there, over there.
Sorry.
That's so
Get that bomb,
racist.
get that
For
bomb.
sharper shooting, use your motion controls, eh?
I'm so sorry, boot it.
Hey, on, that's racist.
Hey, you just did it.
Yeah.
And you have family. You're Canadian. You just did that.
Sorry, booted. I'm fucking
Over there, to the left.
My cousins.
To the left.
No blood relation.
Huh.
Just through marriage.
Really?
Just through marriage. Because our families are related.
Really?
Whoa. That like flips
I'm
shit up
Irish.
on me. I can't see. Alright, you ready for the boss?
All right, 61 hits.
Yay!
Don't crash in the building.
Oh,
Wait, but how?
through marriage.
I Wait, hang on. Who married who?
I don't know the details. Shit was back a long time ago. Fuck.
And
And Rosa.
Target mode engaged.
I
Let's
forgot.
take down that
means-
enemy
means,
ship.
That means Andros
It's gonna be
is
really
alive
difficult
again.
for you. Okay, just fly to those red points, like those big things. Done. You're flying terribly.
Wait a second.
I can't aim.
Oikini doesn't
Okay.
come back, does he?
General Awakening? I don't think so.
Like that.
Fuck that guy. Cocky little freak.
Cocky little fuck.
It's not Awakening. That's Leon that says that.
Do they?
He's in this game.
Do they keep the?
Cocky little freak.
I like how Anthony turns his body as he's turning the controller.
It's motion control, actually.
Oh, really?
Is it really?
Oh, wow.
Motion control. So, yeah.
That's sweet as fuck.
Okay, go under it now. We gotta kill these down here. Under the ship.
I would.
Oh.
What?
Oh, you found the secret.
Whoa! That is
Okay, walk
Walker.
through here. Yep, this is the walker.
That is something I've never seen before.
It's new.
Yeah.
Okay, hit L. Hit the L left trigger to strike.
I don't want to say anything without sounding weird,
Go.
Oh,
but it's like
Don't run into it. Back up. I can't
You know
shoot
what?
it.
Fuck it. I'm not gonna say anything now. It's too weird. I'm not gonna admit something stupid.
What?
No, shush. We're moving on. We're moving on.
Oh man,
It's a story for another day.
Boss dead.
I like stories.
That's the secret way to beat that boss. There's 2 ways to beat each boss. That gives you plus 10 hits, and the other
Yeah!
way, the original
Dope.
way, gives you plus 5 hits.
General Pepper here.
They also make you go back to levels now. There's like shit to do that unlocks in levels after you
Didn't-
keep doing levels.
That's cool. Didn't mean to blow up your shit
It's-
there, eh? Oh, sorry.
And now, yeah, there's 5 medals to get in each level now. So
We're heading out. All
Never-
aircraft
never mind.
support, eh?
I'm being nitpicky.
No, you're supposed to be. Slippy.
Yes,
Go.
Slippy.
You did it! That was a close one!
Aww.
You're becoming more like your father.
Oh god, this is Star
Let
Fox
go.
64.
Yeah.
Let the cap go to my
It's a
drink.
reboot.
Oh my god!
So how do you think they breed?
How good did we do?
With penises.
Hey, Anthony,
Silver.
we're discussing the breeding actions of the
you
team
got
Star
more
Fox.
pieces to your
I don't know.
pants
So
on
how do
the
you
floor.
think they breed with each other,
There are more
or
pieces
can
to
they
your
go out
pants
of
on the
species?
They're not related.
So they can. But I'm saying like,
They're like
could
from
they-
different planets
Where's
and
the
shit.
bottle cap?
yeah,
Oh,
but
I
can they
lost it.
fucking fuck? Can they breed with each other?
I don't know. Probably.
Can Peppy look at Falco and say, "Hey,
I
we're
want
gonna
a piece
fuck"?
of that ass.
I don't think so. I'm pretty
I
sure
don't know. I don't
Peppy's
know
not
what
gay.
what kind of
And
bird.
where's Crystal?
It's not in this game.
God damn it.
Crystal wasn't in 64.
She was hot as fuck. We're gonna bring
She was
up
only in Assault.
We're
They're
bringing
not,
up an
they're
image
not.
of Crystal
not,
right
they're
now.
not, they're not.
Bam! Right there.
You're not
Probably
playing
gonna have to blur
Crystal
that
into
out.
this.
Is a bam! Right there. Alright, everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please let us know if you have any shit we want to play.
Bye.
Anyway, I was your host, Elderlink, and today I was joined by...
Crimson Lake.
Pink Link.
Silent. I don't have a link name yet.
Silent Link.
And we'll see you guys next time. Later!
Later.
Spirit hands.
This better not fuck up. Everything's fine. Everything is fine!
Like, you're gonna make me jump more than this game is.
Paint deep
Out
lies.
of nowhere.